Hi students, I am Shweta from Shweta's Educare. Today I am going to teach you a topic, degree of comparison. Yes, you all must have heard about this in your school. But before I go ahead, let me ask you a question. Virat Kohli is the best batsman in the team. It's a superlative degree. You have to make comparative and positive degree. And your time starts now. So dear students, are you ready with your answer? Virat Kohli is the best batsman in the team. That was our question. Virat Kohli is better than any other batsman in the team. This is our comparative degree. And the answer in positive will be no other batsman in the team is as good as Virat Kohli. Now you must be thinking, why have we used these words? Not to worry, dear students. I'll be teaching you all the tricks required in this lesson. So let's get started. We all know with the basics of our degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. The adjective can be any words, like for example we use smart. So in positive it will be as smart as, in comparative smarter than, and in superlative the smartest. So smart, smarter, smartest. We all have learned in our early standards like from 6th, 7th, right? Now we have some basic points to note down. Number 1. Positive ends in 2 or single consonants ER and EST are added. Like for example over here, bold, L and D are 2 consonants. You add an ER, it becomes bolder in comparative, and EST, it becomes boldest in superlative. Similarly, clever becomes cleverer and cleverest in superlative. But there's an exception. Like for example, we use the word just. You cannot add juster or justest. So we add more in comparative. It becomes more just than, and superlative the most just. Similarly, right becomes more right than and the most right. Moving to the next point, point number 2, positive ends in E. Only R and ST are added. Example, able, E is underlined. You just add a single R. So it becomes abler in comparative, and ST makes it ablest in superlative. Similarly, fine becomes finer, finest. Point number 3, positive ends in Y, preceded by a consonant. Preceded means before. The Y is changed to I before adding ER and EST. No problem dear, we have an example, drive. Suppose Y is underlined. In comparative, Y is changed to I first and then you add an ER. So it becomes dryer in comparative, and similarly in superlative, you change the Y into I first and then add EST. So it becomes dry, drier, driest. Similarly, happy, happier, happiest. You see in your answer there is nowhere Y as your letter. I hope this is clear. So the next point, point number 4. Positive ends in single consonant preceded by short vowel. The consonant is doubled before adding ER and EST. Not to worry, students. We have an example. Let's take a simple one. Big. What do you observe? I is a short vowel and there's a single consonant G. So whenever there's a single consonant preceded by a vowel, then you need to double the consonant. So it becomes bigger in comparative. The G is doubled, right? And in superlative, it becomes biggest. Similarly, hot, hotter, hottest. Next point, number 5, you say more and most. Well, this is very simple, students. Let's take an example. Beautiful becomes more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Point number 6, irregular comparison. What do you understand by this? Well, there are some words which you cannot change or you cannot add more or most. What to do then? Well, in that case, let's take an example. Bad, evil or ill. If there is any word among these three, you need to change it to worse in comparative and worst in superlative. Similarly, good or well in your question, then you need to change it to better, best. I hope I am clear. We are here with the first type, comparison between two people or objects. You need to follow two steps in this type. The first one, change the position of two things compared. And the second, if the verb is in affirmative, meaning the positive sentence, you have to change it to a negative and vice versa. Now let's understand the examples. The first one, Saina is more intelligent than Ria. Which are the two things described? Yes, Saina and Ria. Now change the position. The answer will be Ria is not as intelligent as Saina. Now the question was in affirmative. You need to change in negative sentence. So Ria is not as intelligent as Saina. If you understand the question and answer, it's much easier. You should not change the meaning. The second question. Rahul is better writer than a singer. Understand the question once again, I repeat. Rahul is better writer than a singer. That means he is not a good singer. So the answer will start, Rahul is not as good a singer as a writer. This table is very important, dear students. Just be with me and stay focused. I'm sure you can solve any question related to this type then. It will be very easy for you all. Let's start with type 2A. Before that, let me say we have used the adjective good. So in comparative it will be better and in superlative the best. So again type 2A, it says comparison is in a group and we select one person as having the quality in the highest degree. So let's take an example. In our Indian team, whom do you think is the best captain? What comes first in your mind? Yes, MS Dhoni. So in superlative, Dhoni is the best captain. The same if you want to convert in comparative, we will have Dhoni is better than any other captain. So the rule says we have to use the words better than any other or better than all other. In positive, if you want to convert the same, you will always start with no other. No other captain is as good as Dhoni is. Simple. Once again I repeat, in type 2A we have the words the best, better than any other and no other, as good as. Now let's start with type 2B. Comparison is in a group, but there are few who are the best and we select one of them. So let's take the Indian team once again. The example, we have many good players, good batsmen like we can say Virat Kohli, Ajinkya Rahane, even Rohit Sharma. But if we want to select one of the best, we definitely will select Virat Kohli. So in superlative, Virat is one of the best batsmen. The same in comparative will be better than many other. See the difference? It is better than many other. So our answer is Virat is better than many other batsmen. The same in positive, you will always start with very few. Very few batsmen are as good as Virat is. So in type 2b, the rules are one of the best, better than many other, and very few as good as. Just take a minute to see the difference between these two types. I hope the table is very much clear and you have understood the rules. So it's time now to work with some examples for a better understanding. Number 1. Australia is the largest island in the world. The largest is underlined. So yes, the rule says in comparative we need to add the words than any other. So it becomes Australia is larger than any other island. And in positive degree, the answer should start with no other. Yes. So the answer is no other island in the world is as large as Australia. You need to keep in mind the degrees too, like the largest, larger, as large as. Yes. Moving on to the next example. The Taj Mahal is more magnificent than any other monument in India. We have a comparative degree question. So you can change it either to superlative or positive. Let's change to superlative degree. The answer is the Taj Mahal is the most magnificent monument in India. And dear students, what the answer will be in positive degree? Yes, very good. The answer should start with no other monument in India is as magnificent as the Taj Mahal. Moving to our next type 2b examples. Number 1. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is one of the most prominent leaders of India. Which is the adjective, students? Yes, prominent. So since it's a superlative degree, the word is most prominent, and we also have, as per the rule, one of the. So you all know what you need to change in comparative. Let's start. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was more prominent than most other leaders. And positive, very few leaders were as prominent as Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So we have changed it as per the rules. Let's take one more example. It is one of the best occasions in recent times to raise a toast. In comparative, best becomes better. So it is better than many other occasions in recent times to raise a toast. And positive, again, very simple. It will start with very few occasions in recent times are as good as it is to raise a toast. Come on, students, let's get ready for some quiz. We have 8 questions which will help you understand how well you have understood the concept and how good is your grasping power. Here comes the first question. Reddy is one of the most well-known environment specialists in India. Second, the pen is mightier than the sword. Third, nothing in the world is as important as being honest. Fourth, Sushmita is as beautiful as Aishwarya. Fifth, Sudha sings better than she dances. Sixth, Radha is the smartest girl in the class. Seventh, very few books I have read are as good as this one. Eighth, no other man was as strong as Bhim. So dear students, just pause a video over here and recap all what is taught, all the tricks, all the rules, and then answer honestly on your own. So it's time to check our answers. Number 1. Reddy is more well known than many other environment specialists in India. It's a comparative degree. You can also change to a positive degree. And you know, children, it will start with very few. So our answer will be very few environment specialists in India are as well known as Reddy. The second is based on type 1 degree of comparison. The two things compared is sword and pen, and the positive will change to negative. So the answer is the sword is not as mighty as the pen is. The third, being honest is the most important thing in the world. Superlative. You can also change to comparative. The answer is being honest is more important than any other thing in the world. Number 4, again a type 1 answer. Aishwarya is not more beautiful than Sushmita. Coming to our next answer. Sudha doesn't dance as well as she sings. Now it's the same type 1 example which we already did. Answer 6. Radha is smarter than any other girl in the class. In comparative, in positive it will be no other girl in the class is as smart as Radha. 7th. This book is better than many other books I have read. It's in comparative. The same if you want to change in superlative, we need to follow the type 2B rules. This is one of the best books I have read. Here comes the answer in superlative. Next, 8th. Bhim was the strongest man. In superlative. And in comparative it will be Bhim was stronger than any other man. Thank you very much dear students for watching the video. I'll be coming up with some more grammar topics, some interesting tricks, examples and of course quiz. After this I have put some additional examples. You can use it for your reference. Thank you once again and bye-bye. Have a nice day.